Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Brain Skill. In today's video, we will see about the view options available in the Excel. Okay, starting if we look here in the down status bar, we are having a zoom slider, okay, and three functions given here. Okay, so first we will see about the zoom option. If we press the plus, it will zoom in, and with minus it will zoom out, or you can also slide the zoom or adjust the zoom with the slider bar also. Like this I have zoom out. Okay, so firstly we are in the normal tab, okay, where we will work our all the things. On the second option we will go to page layout. It will give you an idea of the page if you want to print something or like that. Okay, in this page view you will get the idea how much it will print or etc. And another option is for page break preview. It will show you at how much uh, column you want in your first page. Like this, if I have done here, see, you can see that you can also adjust this. So there are two pages. I have converted the two pages. Okay, so like this you can adjust as per your need. Okay, so right now I am in the normal view. So if you want to edit something or create your Excel sheet, we will be using the normal view. Okay, now I will switch to the view tab. In view tab, these are the three options which we have already seen in the below part, okay, in the status bar. Now we are coming to the show. Okay, in this option we are having the three options. First one is grid lines. Okay, the grid lines are these the cell lines. Okay, if I remove the grid lines, so it will remove all the lines. Okay, so I need the grid lines. If you don't need, so you can just untick it, and you can use according to your way. Okay, the another is headings. Headings are the things which we are having the ABCD, that is the column numbers and the row numbers. I also need the headings. And third one is the formula bar. This is the formula bar. You can also just remove this formula bar, but I need, so I will keep this. Okay, I am working in this normal sheet, and I need that I want to adjust my sheet to the 100%. So as if I click on this 100%, it will zoom my sheet to the 100%. Okay, this was the, and you can also zoom as per 75, 50%, or you can also custom in these and zoom to selection also. I have selected only one cell, so it is zoomed very inside, zoomed in too much. If I want to zoom in this much section, so it will zoom in. So I will click to the zoom 100%. So this was the zooming option. Now as we come to the freeze panels, okay, firstly we are seeing the freeze top row. It will freeze my first row. So if you scroll down or scroll up, so your first row will be freeze, it will be there. So you can view these headings. Okay, sale year, sale month, sales quarter, sales discount, sales with discounts, etc. Okay, if you want to remove these freeze panels, you can just click on the freeze pans and click on the unfreeze pans. Okay, so you are back to the normal thing. And if I want that my first row must be freeze and need that the three columns also must be freeze, so I will be clicking on a cell above this. There must be a row which you want to freeze, and the left hand side of this you want you must be having a row column which you want to freeze. Like I have selected this D2 cell, so if I click on the freeze pans, it will freeze my the rows below the selected cell, and the columns left to the selected cells. Okay, as I scroll down, my first row is freeze, and as I scroll it horizontally, my first three columns are freeze. Okay, this option is very useful to view a larger data. Okay, if I need the order ID, customer name, and products. Okay, and I need that how much it is a sell, so I can compare it directly that the this order ID 388 having a sales of this much amount. So I will unfreeze all the pens and back to the normal view. Okay. And right now if I click on the center of the screen and click on this split option, okay, it will split my screen into four parts, same sheets into four different parts. Okay, like this, if I don't need the vertical line, so I will double click on it, so the vertical line is removed, and I want to compare these 4 5 order IDs with below some like this. I am moving very downside. Okay, if I want to compare this data with this, so I can compare this data with this data. I can also compare. So for the comparison, this split view is very easy. You can remove split view by clicking here also, and you can also remove by double clicking on it. Okay, so sorry, it was selected. As you double click on this line, you can remove your selected sorry, the split view. You can also back to the normal view by double click on that the vertical and horizontal lines, or you can simply just click the split to off the split. So the last option is switch windows. Okay, so for this option I will have to open one more window, that is I am opening some random file or worksheets. Okay, like this I am on the view tab, I am working on this file, okay, this worksheet, and I want to go to the previous worksheet. So I can using this option I can switch multiple windows, or how much if you're having 5 to 10 worksheets open, so you can select with their names. Okay, as I am right now in the formatting worksheet. Okay, so these were the basic view options. In this video we have covered these view options. Thank you.